North Carolina is filled with people who create, people who build things, people who wake up every day excited to practice their craft. I'm Johnny Chappell. Our craft at Chappell is helping people buy and sell homes. We also help people build neighborhoods. Our focus is on delivering the very best real estate experience. We feel like we do a good job in Raleigh and Durham. Compass is the world's leading real estate company. Chappell and Compass believe that the right blend of technology and amazing marketing can complement a client's experience, but that the agent, the advisor, the consultant should be front and center. We believe in our team. So here's to the people who chisel away at their goals and dream big. Here's to the professionals, our teammates who help them realize their dreams every day. We believe in people who make things because we make things, and our team makes things happen. I am thrilled to announce that Chappell is a founding partner of Compass in the Triangle. We are joining forces to deliver a better real estate experience for our friends and clients. So Compass, welcome to the land of the longleaf pine. North Carolina is where the weak grow strong and the strong grow great. Here's to growing great.